Good morning, Island Green. This is going to be a real quick video. I'm sorry I didn't document this yesterday. Yesterday there was barely any water here. Just a few little puddles. When I was talking to my neighbor Pat, who lives back here, she can vouch for me. There was hardly any water here, and now this morning we have water. So water has risen somewhere, and come here. The Waccamaw River, the Peach Creek, something has risen to bring more water here because we haven't had rain. So, and I don't know if you can see this, but there's shiny chemically looking stuff on the top of that water right there. So, but anyway, yeah, there was barely any puddles here after the 2 days of rain last week. It had all finally gone down, and then today we have this. So it's not rushing through, as you can see, but it's more water than what was here yesterday, and we haven't had rain. Or did we have some? No, I don't know. I was sound asleep, seeing rain on the top here, or water. Okay, I have to check to see if we had rain this morning. I don't think we did. No, not enough to fill this up again. Anyway, I haven't had my coffee yet. Guess I should go look at the news. But it's just weird to me how we have so much more water now. And that is definitely a concern right there. Is it oil, gas? But right in that one spot, I see little spots of it here and there. I'm not awake yet. Alright, that's it. My documentation. Have a good day. Bye.